In this video, we will learn how to add mini calendar in Excel sheet. So let's start. Open your Excel sheet, go to the Home tab and click on the Add-ins option. And click on the More Add-ins, and here you see the Office Add-ins dialog box is open. Click on the search box and enter the mini and click on the search icon to search the mini calendar, and here you can see the mini calendar is searched. Just click on it and you can read here the description, additional information, and you can check here the preview of this mini calendar. Okay, so this is a way you can use the mini calendar in your any data, weekly employee timesheet. See the preview how it's used. Okay, just click on add and click on the continue to add in your Excel sheet, and here you can see the mini calendar is added. Okay, you can change the month easily. Just click on this arrow and you can change the month. Select the cell first, then click on the date those you want to insert in your cell. So here you can see the date is in the same as. Again I show you. Select the cell and click on the date to insert in your Excel. Okay, here you can see there are some options available. The calendar size you can change. Okay, and here the calendar theme you can change. Okay, see the color is changed, and here the calendar system also here change, and have some week number. If you want a week number, you can see the week number also mention. Okay, and here you can see the highlight the range of dates. Okay, just I click on this option and you can see the date is highlighted, and click on OK. And when you select the another date to override the content, just click on it. You can see here the 17 date is inserted. Now I just override the different date, the 18. Okay, this is a way you can override the different date also. Okay, and next here the hide setting. If you want to hide this setting, just click on this option. Again unhide, just click on this settings icon. You can see the unhide, and here you can see the clock icon showing insert current time. With date you can insert the current time also. So this is a current time. Okay, so you can insert easily. Okay, just click on this small arrow and you can see here the some option available: get, support, select, delete, reload and attach, and show as a save image, security. So you can use this option. If you want to delete, just click on the delete, reload. You can reload easily here. So this is a way you can use this option, and here you can increase the size. You can resize your calendar with just mouse drag, and just drag with the mouse. Okay, so this is a way you can use the mini calendar in Excel sheet. So this is so helpful when you work on your large data, and if you want to insert the date anywhere, if you want to insert the current time, you quickly insert the current time also. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.